automatic gratuity does not count for the no tax on tips, new tax deduction. It has to be voluntary. So if you have an employer or if you are making a tip and it says automatic gratuity added 18% or whatever that is, that's okay, but it is not going to qualify for the tips that you can then deduct. What are we talking about here? There's a new tax law and you are able to deduct up to $25,000 a year tip income. So if you're getting tips and they are voluntarily paid to you, then up to $25,000 of those tips you will pay zero tax on, okay? And with that being said, there's a lot of employers out there that I think to benefit their employees, they are instituting the mandatory 18% gratuity or whatever percentage, or for large groups, automatic gratuity will be added. So it's kind of a balance there, you know? Does the employer want to make sure that the employee is getting tipped appropriately, or would it be better that the employee that's getting tips doesn't have to pay tax on those tips? And if I am running the numbers as a CPA, I would bet there could be a real argument to be made that there would be a better benefit to those that are getting tips to not have to pay tax on them versus worrying whether or not some customers are not going to tip appropriately. So talk with your employers and listen, if they get it wrong, you as the employee are the one that pays. Your employer gets it wrong, they tell you, nope, this is going to count, doesn't matter. IRS would hold the employee, meaning the person who's receiving the tips, responsible.